Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Printify and Etsy. Let's get started. So once you've logged into your Printify account, you're going to go to the left side of the screen and you're going to go to the option which says My New Store, and you're going to click on this drop-down option over here. Now, instead of Manage My Stores, you're going to go to Add a New Store. So you're going to click on the plus icon over here. Now it says, let's connect your store. Already have a sales channel? Connect your store now. Choose a sales channel below to connect your store. So here we have Etsy, Shopify, TikTok, Amazon, Printify Pop-Up, eBay, Squarespace, Wix, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Walmart, and PrestaShop, and API. So what we need to do now is select Etsy. So now it says sign in to continue. So you're going to enter your email address, password, and then you're going to click on sign in. Now it says an application would like to connect to your accounts. You are currently signed in as your email address, so not you. You can just sign in as someone else. And then the application Printify is trying to connect to your accounts. You're going to scroll down and you can read all of this if you want to. Connect to your accounts, read your user profile. So that's what it's going to be able to do. Delete listings, create edit listings, see all listings, and update receipts, update shop, and then see private shop info. So once you read all of that, you're going to have two options: grant access or refuse access. So we're going to click on grant access. Now that you've linked your Etsy account to your Printify account, what you need to do now is set up your Printify account properly. So you're going to go to the left side of the screen and you're going to scroll down and you're going to look for an option which says account. So this arrow pointing to the right, you're going to select it and you're going to select my account. Now under the heading My Account, you can add in your business name. This information will appear on your invoices. So make sure that your new business name is unique to your type of business and what you are trying to sell. So under contact details, it says here this information will also appear on your invoices. So you just add in your full name, email address, phone, and then you can also add in an additional phone number. And then under the heading address, you can add in your country of origin, your state, province, address 1, address 2, it's optional, then city, then zip code, and then once you're done, you go to select submit. Now, if you go to Etsy, what you need to do is choose a name for your shop. So I'm going to use this one, for example. It has to be between 4 to 20 characters, no special character spaces or accented letters. So once you're done doing that, you're going to click on save and continue. Now it says, tell us about your listing. Okay, let's say I do a digital prints. And what type of item is it? Is it a physical item or a digital file? So I'm going to select it's a digital file. So scroll down again. Who made it? I did. Or you could choose like someone else made it for your shop. I'm going to choose I did. What is it? It is a finished product. And when was it made? And it was made to order. So you're going to scroll down again. How is this digital content created? I'm going to say it was created by me, or you could also choose with an AI generator. So basically, it's going to tell the customers that your work is either created by you or it is AI generated. This is very important information. So we're going to scroll down again. So now you can add in some production partners and we're going to click on save and continue. So under the heading, what is it? I'm going to select it is a finished product. So we're going to scroll down again and then click on save and continue. Now it says title, include keywords that buyers would use to search for this item. So you're going to add it there. Photos and videos, add up to 10 photos and 1 video. So you're going to click on this button here. So now we scroll down again. You're going to add in the description of your shop and tell the customers what you're selling and where you're based. And yeah. So we scroll down again, personalization, collect personalized information for this listing. You can add that if you want to. Price and inventory, you can add in the price and then the quantity and then click on this plus icon here, add SKU. So we scroll down again, tags and attributes. Okay, primary color, you can choose black, blue, brown, it's your choice. And now if we exit that, secondary color, you can choose that. The width, you can choose a unit, centimeters, feet, inches. Scroll down again and choose the height. Then you can choose a unit, meters, centimeters, feet, millimeters, and yards. So Etsy gives you a lot of options here, which is really good because it lets you go into further detail compared to other websites. Then zero tags, you can add in some tags there. Then materials, can add some materials, then details. Then if we go to renewal options, you could either choose automatic, manual. This listing will renew as it expires for 20 cents USD each time. And manual, I'll renew expired listings myself. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.